Of all the fears, uncertainty and doubt that throw up barriers in the way of adoption of cloud, security and privacy are almost always right at the top of the list. These concerns are obviously very keenly felt, but just how real are they? Well, if we look at the differences between those companies that have no real experience of cloud compared to those that use it extensively, two very different pictures emerge. For those yet to embark on the cloud journey, there is a strong feeling that internal IT security is very capable, and that cloud providers are not to be trusted with their confidential information and systems. Yet, when we look at companies that have embraced cloud security is generally seen as the equal of, or in many cases better than, internal security. So the level of uncertainty surrounding cloud security means that education and information is critical to dispelling the myths and bringing potential customers on side. Being responsive is one of the main drivers of business satisfaction with IT, yet few IT departments feel that they are well equipped to do this today. This is causing them to look at new ways to approach IT, to get a more dynamic approach in place, and utilising cloud computing in its various forms is one of the main ways to do this. While cost reduction often jumps to the top of mind when thinking about cloud, those who have used it successfully see it much more as a good way to be more agile and do things that they could otherwise not do. Now, some have claimed that cloud means the end of the IT department and that all IT will run purely in the public cloud, but really, nothing could be further from the truth. While some cloud services will be available only from the cloud, many workloads will in fact continue to run internally within customer data centers on their own private cloud solution. So the reality is that, for many companies, unless they're really just starting out with no IT existing in place today, cloud will enhance their existing on-premise IT services, as well as augmenting it through the use of dedicated public cloud services. We see in our research today that investment and adoption is increasing in private cloud solutions. We also see that companies are interested in solutions that can extend their internal IT environment out into the cloud, in effect creating a public-private hybrid cloud solution. And because cloud represents a completely new, service-orientated way of running IT, for many companies, an experienced deployment and operations partner can be the difference between a successful and unsuccessful project.